Hi guys, for today's video, it is Saturday morning here, 10:30 in the morning, and it's my day off. Saturday, walang work, so we try to be productive during our time na wala kaming work. So yung asawa ko wala ding work in the morning, but he's working at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So I'm gonna show you what he's doing outside, because we have a nice weather today. So it's 60 degrees outside. So bihira lang na maganda yung weather namin, since we are almost in winter. So winter is almost is fast approaching. So guys, let's go to outside para makita nyo anong ginawa ng asawa ko. Okay, are you ready? Okay guys, so this is it. My husband is very productive this morning because it's not too cold. So he's mowing our grass. But look at our yard. There are a lot of leaves from the trees. So because of that tree, but I did a good job today too. So I tried to break my leaves. So yung leaves na ano ko, see, yun. So somebody's gonna take these leaves from our city government. So ayan, tingnan mo. Grabe, no? Ewan ko paano ko ito gagawin. This portion, so the city government, the one who did this one, kasi there is the water company, but they put some grass on this. So kasi naibang, pero sila yung naglagay ng grass dito. Ewan ko paano ko ito gawin. I need to sweep this portion here. Ayan. So madali lang dito, di ba? Pag merong mower. Look at yung sun. Grabe ang very bright ang sun. So ayan. Okay, one more. And one more. That one. So look at, very nice outside today. Do not come this way, okay? So, kailangan ko yung screen ko. So, at least, kahit yung winter namin is malapit na, but today we have a nice weather. Very productive. Pag dito ako, very productive. Pag wala ko, nagtutulog yan. So it's very quick. Only couple of minutes, then done. So we're gonna go outside. At the back of our yung tomato ko. Oh! Hindi ko na namalaya na may dami pa palang tomato dito. Wow! Ayan. Ah! Guys, may tanim ako na tomato. Hindi ko na tiningnan kasi grabe ka ang ginaw. Pero may pa dito. May a lot of tomato here. Okay guys. Okay. Thank you. Kaya i-off ko to. Okay guys, this is my work today. Okay. Oh, okay. 2 minutes. That's 2 minutes.
30 seconds.
Just two. Oh. I think they're gonna pick up these leaves tomorrow or today. Or today, I think. This afternoon, so I need to put it here. Ooh. It's a lot of work.
This is just the front yard.
I know. I don't want to.
Mom?
That's fine. I need to have 3. What you gonna? Are you not gonna help me? Bunny? Oh, this is an exercise, Von. Exercise. Uy guys, grabe, tinatamad na talaga ako. It's early in the morning here. So after my husband mowing the grass, so ayan, this is my work, my share for this today. This is my share for today. I need to put this over here so that the one who picked up my leaves is gonna reach it. They're gonna suck this tomorrow or today. Oh. Oh. Okay guys, I reached the sidewalk. Oh. Oh. This is my day off and this is my work. Okay. Okay guys. Oh. Woo. Thank you. Okay, here. That is our work for today.